It was a really fun workshop filled with a lot of activities and practice.
I find that this workshop is absolutely amazing. I had so much fun. Everyone is so nice and it was very educational and inspirational. So try it out.
I have a great time here. Thank you to Acestar for giving me such an energy today.
That hopefully I will be able to get the certificate because it will be really useful for my future.
I'm very proud to hold this cert.
Especially, I'm gonna put it in my resume, so that's a +1.
It's pretty important to me because I can include it in my portfolio and also for my future job.
We need to have this cert for our internship and also for our future career.
I would like to recommend my friends to join this workshop too.
I'm glad to meet people who share the same passion as me.
Last but not least, I would like to thank MDAC and Acestar and of course my school, my friends and my family that supported me. Thank you.
I am ACA certified.
Yay, I'm ACA certified.
Yes, I'm ACA certified.
Yay, I'm ACA certified.
I'm ACA certified. Yes.
Yeah, I'm ACA certified. Woo!
We are